Is pocket option a scam? If you search this on Google right now, you'll find completely mixed opinions. Some people say pocket option is 100% a scam, while others claim it's a legit and trustworthy broker. There are a few reasons why people call pocket option a scam, and the main one is issues related to withdrawals. Many people on the internet claim that their withdrawal requests were either not properly processed or were completely declined. So, to verify this for myself, I decided to make a real withdrawal using one of my own accounts. This is one of my secondary pocket option accounts. I'll simply go to the withdrawal page, enter the amount I want to withdraw, add my USDT address, and submit the request. I placed this withdrawal request on January the 25th, 2026. And in less than 24 hours, the funds were successfully credited to my Binance account. So why do people still claim there are withdrawal issues and that pocket option is scamming them? There are a few reasons for this. The main reason is the KYC verification. Even though pocket option allows withdrawals without verifying your identity, most of the time, these withdrawal requests get declined. If we go to the official Pocket Option website, we can see that Pocket Option clearly lists a few important requirements that must be met before making a withdrawal. According to Pocket Option, you must verify your account by submitting the required documents. You can do this by heading to your profile and selecting the Identity Status option. Next, simply upload the required documents, and your account will usually be verified within a few hours. According to Pocket Option, you can also avoid withdrawal issues by using the same payment method for both your deposit and your withdrawal. Additionally, this payment method must be registered under the same name used on your Pocket Option account. Other factors such as low withdrawal amounts, inaccurate personal information, and holidays can also delay or even decline withdrawal requests. If you avoid these mistakes and follow all the required guidelines, Pocket Option ensures that your withdrawal will be processed without any issues. Before moving on to the next issue, if you're a Pocket Option trader, make sure to join our free VIP Pocket Option Signals channel, where we share exclusive promo codes and free trading signals every day. The channel is 100% free, and you can get access using the Telegram handle in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. The second major issue people accuse Pocket Option of is market manipulation. Market manipulation basically means artificially influencing prices in order to make traders lose their trades. Many traders believe that Pocket Option moves prices against them, especially when a trade is about to close in profit. They claim that the market suddenly spikes or drops at the last second, causing their trades to end in a loss. Sadly, there's no accurate way to prove or disprove this claim. However, there are a few ways we can reduce the risk of this happening. The first method is avoiding the OTC market. OTC markets are not traded on a centralized exchange, which means price movements can be less transparent and more volatile compared to regular markets. Because of this, OTC markets can experience unexpected spikes and sudden price movements, making them riskier to trade. So, to reduce this risk, it's better to avoid OTC markets and trade on regular markets like these. The second way to avoid losing money to sudden price movements is by using longer trade durations. Market spikes mostly happen in very short time frames, usually between 0 seconds to 10 minutes. When trading on these short time frames, even a small price fluctuation can cause a losing trade. This is why many traders experience last-second reversals and believe the market is being manipulated. To reduce this effect, we can simply use longer trade durations. This allows the price to move more naturally, reducing the impact of sudden spikes and price noise. Longer trade durations also allow traders to rely more on market structure, trends, and confirmations instead of pure randomness. If you stick to these 2 rules, you'll be able to trade in more stable market conditions and reduce losses caused by sudden price movements. So, in conclusion, is pocket option a scam? Based on my personal experience, I wouldn't say it's a scam. If you follow everything mentioned in this video, you can avoid most issues on the platform and safely trade or withdraw your money. However, always be mindful of your funds. Never keep large amounts of money in your account without a reason. If you make good profits on the platform, always remember to withdraw those profits regularly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my future trading videos. And don't forget, if you want daily trading signals and exclusive promo codes, join our free VIP Signals channel using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.